Our April skies. Our sky is set up for 15 April 2020 at 7 p.m. looking from a light polluted area. Let's start by looking towards the north. Cancer the Crab is very difficult to see from light polluted areas as the stars in this constellation are faint. To the left of Cancer, we see the bright stars Castor and Pollux. They belong to Gemini the twins. To the right of Cancer, we find Leo the lion. Look for the upside down inverted question mark. This is his head. The dot of the question mark is Regulus, the heart of the lion. Looking east, we find the bright star Spica, low on the horizon. Spica is the brightest star in the constellation of Virgo. Above Spica, we find 4 stars in the trapezium or kite shape. This is the constellation of Corvus the Crow. Above Corvus, we find Crater the Cup. The stars are faint and the dark sky will show them better. In the southeast, we have the Southern Cross rising. The Southern Cross is surrounded by the constellation of Centaurus, half man, half horse. In the time of Ptolemy, the Southern Cross were part of the hind legs of Centaur. It was separated when people realized that they can use it to navigate in the southern hemisphere. Other stars in the south are Canopus and Achernar. Looking west, we have a final view of the summer hunting scene. Orion the hunter, hunting Taurus the bull, with his 2 dogs, represented by the bright stars Sirius and Procyon. At the feet of Orion, we have Lepus the hare, hoping that Orion will protect him from the 2 dogs. Omega Centauri is an easy object to find and visible to the unaided eye from dark locations. Locate the 2 pointer stars to the Southern Cross, Alpha Centauri and Hadar. From Hadar, we move to Epsilon Centauri. About equal distance on, we find Omega Centauri. Omega Centauri is a globular star cluster. Ptolemy catalogued it as a star, but it was Edmund Halley that identified it as not being a star in 1677. It is about 15,800 light years away. The Jewel Box NGC 4755. This is a very easy object to find. Even small binoculars like opera glasses will show it. Locate the Southern Cross. The bottom star of the crossbar of the cross is known as Beta Crucis. Once you locate this star in your binoculars, move down a little bit. The jewel box looks like a capital letter A with a red star in the center. This open cluster was discovered by French astronomer Michael while doing observations for his 1751-52 Southern Star Catalogue at the Cape. It was John Herschel that described the cluster as a superb piece of fancy jewellery when he did observations at the Cape between 1834 and 1838. Now something for more advanced viewers. The Blue Planetary, NGC 3918. Let's go back to the Southern Cross. Locate the star Delta Crucis. and the star Pi Centauri. Draw a line from Delta Crucis to Pi Centauri. Halfway between the two, we find the blue planetary. The nebula was discovered by Sir John Herschel in March 1834. Wishing you clear skies and keep looking up.